This is Sean. We are back on a job here. We put in some gutter drainage and the customer called me back and said he was still getting a little tiny bit of water in the basement. So we took a look, and underneath his deck he had basically the ground was sloping into the foundation. So what we're working on today is we're bringing in some dirt and packing it under the foundation. So if you remember, we caught this gutter and sent it across to over here. He said that water's draining over there just fine. We caught this gutter and we put it through under here. You can see it right there, and you can see it right there. And our outfall, there's not really a good place over here, so there's our outfall right there. And he rebuilt this wall to his liking, and he said the water drains out of here just fine. And so let me show you the problem. There's his basement. And so this is a problem. So we're going to pack dirt in there. And we are packing dirt up against this foundation because all this was sloping into here. So kind of a pain, but we got Jeremy and Ronald working hard over here. There's Ronald saying hi to the camera.
No.
There's Jeremy saying hi. So we got the sled out here today, and it's a slow process, but the point is it works.
I'm thinking right in there, Ron.
Right here?
Yeah. Just look at that. Yeah, perfect. Oh, might spill a little bit though. There you go. That's perfect.
Yep.
Oh, did I get you?
I got it. Taking it up there, trying to do that, I'm slinging dirt back.
Yup.
This method works really well in either of my dump trucks for unloading dirt and gravel. You just tilt the bucket up and get a scoop with the mini skid steer like I'm doing right here, and then as you pull that dirt out, the rest of the dirt falls back and is ready to be scooped out again. And so this really beats trying to shovel the dirt into the bucket by hand and makes much quicker work of moving materials around. And you can see there the dirt is just falling toward the back of the dump truck, ready to be scooped for the second time. So here I'm just delivering load after load of dirt while the guys are under the deck packing the dirt around the foundation. So I'm trying to keep up with them and keep them working. You can see here the guys are making really good progress in packing this dirt up against the foundation, and it's not good enough just to lay the dirt up against the foundation. You really have to pack it in there and get it compacted. And so here you can see Jeremy is passing off the mini tamper off to Ronald, and it's just a slow process of packing the dirt in there and getting it nice and compacted. Just wherever you think. We just finished bringing in a bunch of dirt, and so you can see that we now created a slope away from the foundation, and so that should be a really good barrier to surface water coming down here. We also dug a little trench right there to try to get any surface water into the trench and out of here, because we do have slope coming down this way. So we should be in pretty good shape now.